Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Today I'm going to introduce you this liquid packing machine. It is a small model. See, that is a 320 with 4-side sealing package device. And what made this one special is because we add the handling hose and less skin. See, this is the mold and the device of the 4-side sealing. The liquid is filled inside, and if pushed to another device, this is the handling hose. Let's see here. One is cutting a hose. We will separate by this hand cutter. Here is the package with the handling hose and the 4-side sealing. And here's the details with the receipt here. See that? It is made by Wong also. That was a small cutting line. See over there. That's it. Right now is running on 28 package. And this is the platformer and other set. And this is the liquid pump. You can control the liquid pump to measure how many gram or ml of liquid by measuring. So it's the water while we are testing. And with the day finger, you can see over there, you can bring the day on it. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.